There we go. Today's date is January 3rd, 2022. In Gray County, Texas, I call cause number 39360 in the interest of Serenity Clancy Beck. Present in person is Teresa DePoister, representing the Attorney General's office. Are you ready to proceed?
Yes, Your Honor, I am. I'd like to go ahead and proceed to default as I show that both of the parties have been served.
All right. My information reflects that just a minute here.
It's quite some ways back, Judge. I show Mr. Clancy served in June of 20.
That's what my information reflects, that Brian Clancy was served June 8th of 2020 and Chelsea Beck was served on September 25th of 2021. You may proceed then, Ms. DePoister.
Thank you, Your Honor. This case was originally filed as an inmate modification. Since that time, Mr. Clancy has been released. He is in fact employed and there are payments that are coming in. In the prior court order, Your Honor, child support was set to 0 because the parties were residing together. I have no information from either party at this time, except for addresses that may indicate that the parties might still be residing together. So at this time, I would request a waiver of the modification, Your Honor, and just take judgments on the arrears with appropriate payments.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor. If the court would take judicial notice of the pleading and that attached to it was a financial statement.
All right. I take judicial notice of the contents of the court's file, specifically the pleading and any attachment to that. And what are you indicating that Mr. Clancy owes?
Yes, Your Honor.
December 31st.
Thank you, Your Honor. Offer Estates Exhibit 1, an updated financial statement I've submitted to the court electronically.
All right. Admitted as states number 1.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'm granting the default judgment against Mr. Clancy and ordered the payments to continue. If you would, what are you recommending on the payments?
Yes, Your Honor. The balance on the judgment for the child support is $664.70. So I would request, Your Honor, a payment of $60 a month on that arrears.
All right. I'll grant that request starting February 1st of 2022.
Thank you, Your Honor. The balance on the medical support is $1,270.98, and I'm requesting a $100 a month payment on that, Your Honor.
All right, I grant that payout and that judgment and payment as well, starting February 1st of 22.
Thank you, Your Honor. Nothing further.
All right, I'm going to waive court cost. If you'll prepare that order for my signature.
I will, Your Honor.
It's all today, and we'll